Hey everybody! I'm here today with a very simplistic video showing you the process of changing from a bath faucet to a shower head. This will be a full tutorial with easy instructions. So once again, I will be showing you this super easy process for changing from a bath faucet right here to a shower head, which is up above. And this will be a full tutorial with easy instructions. Let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have this bath faucet, and up above there is indeed a shower head. That's the handheld, but that's the shower head right there. I'll show you how to switch between the two. Super easy to do. So the first thing that you need to understand is that the water will generally automatically come out of the bath faucet. So when you haven't changed anything, the water's default setting is to come out from this spout over here. And essentially, there's a pipe behind here connecting the bath faucet, okay, over here, which is also called the diverter spout, okay? So there's a pipe connecting the bath faucet all the way up to the shower head, and it usually goes behind the wall so you can't see it. So essentially, when the water is running, okay, if I plug this up using this little button over here, that water, it can't go out of here, so it will then go up to the shower head, okay? So essentially, I'm going to turn the water on, I'm going to push this button down to sort of, close off this area, and then it will go to the shower head. So just give me a second. We're going to turn the water on. As you can see right there, the water is on, coming out of the bath faucet. I'm then going to plug this up by pushing this down, and now, in a few seconds, the water is now coming out from the shower head up above, as you can see right there, okay? Very simple. Now, on some bath faucets, to change it back to the bath faucet, you can just pull this up. But on this one, there's a mechanism in it that you can't do when it's running. So I have to turn the water off, and then I can pull this up. And when I pull this up, it will now go back to the bath faucet. That's just all the extra water draining out that was already in the pipe after I let the water run. But that's basically it. That is how to change from a bath faucet to a shower head and vice versa. Really easy to do, and I figured I'd show you how to do it in this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And sorry, before I finish this, I know that this is a simple video, and some people are like, oh, how would you not know that? But to be honest with you, when I was a kid, I didn't know how to do this, right? When I first started taking showers or whatever, I didn't know how to do this, and my parents had to show me, so I figured that I would make a video in case anyone wants to understand how to do it. But I also told you about the mechanics of behind the scenes, how it works. But that's truly it for this instructional video. If you like the video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.